This is a dissection table number 1. Today let us learn about the adductor compartment of the thigh. The first muscle is the pectineus. The origin is the pectine pubis or the pectineal line, pectineal surface of the superior ramus of the pubis, the fascia covering the pectineus. The insertion of this muscle is a pectineal line extending from the lesser trochanter to the linea aspera of the femur. The nerve supply is the femoral nerve and the anterior division of the obturator nerve. The next muscle is the adductor longus. Origin is the anterior aspect of the body of the pubis in the angle between the pubic crest and the pubic symphysis. The insertion is the medial 1/3 of the linea aspera. The next one is the adductor brevis. Origin is the anterior surface of the body of the pubis and the outer surface of the interior ramus of the pubis between the gracilis and the obturator externus. Insertion is the line extending from the lesser trochanter to the linea aspera and upper part of the linea aspera itself just lateral to the pectineus. The next muscle is the adductor magnus, which is the last composite. Origin is the hamstring part, inferior lateral part of the ischial tuberosity, and adductor part, outer part of the ischio-pubis ramus. Insertion is the medial margin of the gluteal tuberosity, linea aspera, medial supracondylar line, and adductor tubercle. The next muscle is the gracilis. Origin is the medial margin of the lower half of the body of the pubis, adjoining the anterior part of the inferior ramus of the pubis. The insertion is the upper part of the medial surface of the tibia, between the insertion of the sartorius in front and the semitendinosus behind. All the muscles of adductor compartment supplied by the obturator nerve. In addition to that, pectineus as a femoral nerve and the adductor magnus as the sciatic nerve. The actions of these muscles is adduction at the hip joint, and pectineus and the gracilis forms the flexion of the head at the hip joint. The adductor longus, gracilis and adductor magnus forms the medial rotation at the hip joint.